This is Dottie with the view. But you know what? The girls like it. Not too much. Right? The ocean view under the blue. We're still fucking with the view because this is a view from interview now. Fuck with you. Nah, but look, we're fucking with the view so we can show y'all what I do, how the view get me through. You feel me? I got bars. You heard that? I got bars. Anyways, so boom, the outside, I see my shit is still wet, right? Still wet. But you can see them. I've been in the field. My shit is a little crazy. You know what I mean? I just washed everything out of my shit. Everything out. You know what I mean? So now what I do, I mean, there's a lot of wave doctors out there. There's a lot of, you know, everybody got something to say and it's wave. But this is Dottie. This is Dottie. You feel me? This is Dottie with the view. No funny shit. I should definitely make content, more heavy content because y'all gonna start laughing at my shit. I ain't gonna hold you. Anyways, so boom. My shit's still wet. What's going on? So what I do is it's wet right now. I'm going to brush. So when I brush, I can have a first hand view. Y'all see how I switched up the angles for y'all so y'all can see what's going on, right? Alright, boom. Look at that. So the way my shit grow, I got a weird head. But anyways, when you brushing, I really brush to keep the motion of where my hair is growing. Yes, I do have a weak side, y'all. This is my weak side. And me and my weak side, we got beef because no matter what I do, but still love him because like in life, you have to learn how to grow. And he's been growing. He's been doing way better. But again, for me, gotta put him in the gym. So the workout, the gym. It's the gym right here for the weak side. It's the gym right here. Again, y'all see it. Y'all see it. And again, the reason I'm brushing while it's wet without anything in it is just to keep my babies swimming the way that I've been had them swimming. And like I said, there's a lot of wave doctors out there that have their own methods, and this is mine. You feel me? This is what I do with the view. I got my own method, you feel me? As you can see, it works. It works. There's no complaining, no sitting bitching about it. It works. You see me? Weak side coming in. See it? Look. Feel me? Gotta get that gym. The gym. Workout. It's the barbell right here. It's right here. I mean, yeah, busy. Big body bends on the waves, you alright? Big body bends on the waves. The water's off that. See, I see it. Y'all see it? I have to touch my back a little bit. Pause. Have to just get that. I might be talking about my directions of how I'm brushing. Again, everybody shit goes differently. Everybody hair grows differently. So y'all see what I'm doing works for me because clearly y'all see the view right here. Okay? So what I do next, simple. That butter. Y'all know I love to say it. That butter what? Butter love, baby. You get busy with it, right? Not too much. It's wet right now, so it's technically, that's my thought process. That's how I feel. So boom, not too much. Right? Look at that. Look at that, look. You would have thought the sun just hit it. Look, you would have thought the sun just hit it. I'm gonna tell you, you would have thought the sun just hit it. Look, wow, look at that, look, and that's just the light. Imagine the sun, come on, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm gonna do a little more because I gotta be up and so I ain't gonna have time to do my routine in the morning because I'm gonna be in that range shooting shit up. Yeah. But yeah, weak side, hot. Boom, take care of it. Feel me? It's the aftermath. Just like after you work out, you gotta eat the sauna. I'm in the sauna on the weak side right now. You see it? Boom. And y'all still look. Y'all see it. Y'all see, look. See? Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And I ain't even get a cut yet. I got a photo shoot this weekend. I'm gonna definitely tap in with y'all and show y'all what's going on with the photo shoot after I get the mess to do. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Yo, this is just the inside light. Imagine when the sun hit him. When the sun hit him, it's over. Boom, just like that. Always used to access on the bed. And guess what? I gotta shave my bed in like a week. Some army shit. But anyways, that's what's going on with it. I got all my other blue products. They ain't even come yet, feel me? The Durag coming, the brush coming. They all coming. Feel me? I got the whole set. Feel me? Lines. Feel me? Line your shit up. Sending your shit up. Feel me? Gucci. They got them big foreheads. Yeah. So right. Still gonna work that, right? Boom. Back. Let me come back around. With it. Boom. Not too tight, not too loose. Wow. Keep it neat. We professionals out here, right? Keep it neat. Wow. Hold on. Bow, right there. Keep it neat. Come across. Swing back. Not neat yet. Look, bow. Now look. Hold on. Boom. Tail that in the back. Look at that. Make sure you get extra neat with it, y'all. Look at that. Bow. Boom. Bow. Neat. Boom. The blue under the blue. Feel me? The ocean view under the blue. The waves under there, you know? Yeah. That's it. The view with Dottie. I know what y'all gotta do, man. Go shop at the view. Boom. The view will get you through. Make sure I get that shampoo too. That 2-in-1. 2-in-1. Stop playing with it, what? Big Dottie, man. Y'all be good.